Hello, my name is Dr. Susan Jewell. Now in this clip I'm going to show you another way to be able to help relieve the swelling and the itchiness and pain from insect bites and stings. So what's another way? Well, heat has found to neutralize the chemicals from the sting or the bite from the insects that causes the inflammation. So if you use heat immediately on the bitten area or the area that was stung, that would help to reduce some of the symptoms. Now, what can you do to apply the heat? Well, one way you can do to apply heat is actually to get a heat pad. Or if you don't have heat pads, you can get the heat gels that you can go put in the microwave, and then you can put that directly onto the area that was bitten after you've cleansed it with soap and water, of course, and then disinfect and put antiseptic cream on it. If you don't have the heat gels or heat pads, another quick way is to get a nice hot bowl of water. Not too hot that it would burn your skin, but hot enough where you can actually touch your skin with it without causing pain. And then you can just put in a towel, roll it up, put it into the hot water, which here, and then you can just apply it onto the area that was stung or bitten, and just press it on for about a few minutes, 5 minutes at a time. And then if the heat dissipates, you can then just do it again. Dip the towel into the hot water, squeeze it out, and then put it back, press it back on the area that was bitten. Or alternatively, if you don't want to do that and you have a hairdryer handy, then you can use a hairdryer and that will be constant heat, and actually it's a lot better than doing this. But you don't want to sit there all day, I guess, to use a hairdryer. But hairdryer, the heat is good. Just blow the hot air over the area that was infected or bitten, and that would help to neutralize some of the chemical that causes the inflammation.